We are only as good as the habits that we create. So it makes better financial sense to have better financial habits. By the end of this video, you'll understand the systems that you need to have in place in order to maintain the concept of infinite banking. My name is Darius.
And I'm Carmen.
For the best infinite banking and financial advice, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
So we have a question for you before we even get started with this video. And that question is, what does your financial lifestyle look like? What does financial freedom even mean to you? And the reason why we are asking this question is because we recognize that it is crucial for you to start with the end in mind and then work backwards in order to build the systems that you need to maintain your lifestyle. So with this video, we hope to give you all value in order to understand how you can best serve yourself from a personal finance standpoint in order to grow into something like infinite banking and be very successful with it.
Right, because to Carmen's point, the systems that are currently in place aren't to our benefit. They're more so to the benefit of the government, financial institutions, and corporations in order so they can maintain a profit.
Yeah.
Because let's take taxes, for example. Every single time that we get paid, a portion of our income is taken out of our check to pay taxes before we even get our money direct deposited to us. And a lot of times we don't even know how much we paid in taxes until we get our W-2s in the mail for that year.
How about that?
And even when it comes to retirement, we have a portion of our income coming out of our paycheck to go to retirement where we don't have as much control of it as we should when it comes to our personal retirement. These are systems that are currently in place that don't benefit us directly as much as we pay for it. We pay more in taxes than we actually pay ourselves through our job or our business. And with all that said, with what we have left over, we go into debt in order to finance the lifestyle that we currently have now. With that said, we end up paying more in monthly payments than the actual value of what we financed in the first place. And what does debt have? It has interest.
So thank you, Darius, for breaking all of that down. So now I'm going to ask you guys again, what are the financial systems that you have in place? Because are your current financial systems paying your debt and all of that money that you're spending is leaving your household every single month? Or are you creating systems that allow you to keep more of your money on a monthly basis?
And all that starts with paying yourself first, or second if you count the government being paid first.
Now, before we go into further detail, what we want you to do is after this video, check out this video here in the corner where we talk about the things that you've never been taught about money. And also comment below, let us know what are the financial systems that you have in place that are allowing you to keep more of your money on a monthly basis. All right, now why are we sharing any of this information with you in the first place? Again, going back to lifestyle. If we all are working on a daily basis, what are the things that you're doing that are bringing you the most enjoyment to your life? And a lot of times this has to deal with the financial decisions that you make. So remember, like Darius and I say all the time, own your own lifestyle or someone else will. It is imperative that you set up the financial systems that you need to be in place in order for you to take over the bank.
Because remember what I said earlier, you're only as good as the habits that you create for yourself. So you're only as good as the financial habits that you have in place right now.
Exactly. And it's all about not losing control of your money. Because if your habits are controlling you, what's happening with your money? You need to be in control of your money so that you can create the responsible financial habits that you need to maintain your lifestyle. All right, so the name of the game is all about control, and paying yourself first allows you to have the control that you need to create those financial habits. So check out this video also, Pay Yourself First, where we break down this concept in more detail. Paying yourself first is the greatest financial foundation that you need to adopt, because the same way the government gets paid every time you get paid, you need to get paid every single time your paycheck comes through. And what you do with that money is the game changer, like putting your money inside a whole life insurance policy so that that money can keep up with inflation instead of keeping it in the bank. And not only when you put it inside a whole life insurance policy, that vehicle allows you the flexibility that you need to access your money to create the lifestyle that you desire.
So all those interest payments that we have on a monthly basis that is going to finance our monthly payments for our lifestyle, we can control that by putting our money inside a whole life insurance policy using those funds to finance our lifestyle, and then directing those monthly interest payments back to ourselves.
All right, so if you are ready to take control of your finances and to gain responsible financial habits, then click on the link below to become our client.
And before you go, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, own your own lifestyle.
Or someone else will.